always a grand entrance. Hey guys, I'm Joey. Welcome back to another exciting episode of Over the Table's Random Reviews. Just welcome back. It's a great day. Great time to be alive. I'm sure you guys remember this little toothpick crossbow I reviewed in the last video. It's still fantastic. If you didn't check out that video, go back and watch it. It's a really fun little product. Today what we've got is a charger. I know what you're saying, Joey, how could a charger be interesting? But let me entertain you with this question. Have you ever been out and about and didn't have a charging cable on you? I know I have. Now the thing is, what did you do in that situation? Gotta ask your friends, gotta ask a family member, or just let your device die. No matter what the device is, usually your phone. But what we've got today is something that should solve said problem. We've got this. I know I didn't open the package. Shh. This right here is a bracelet that's also a charging cable. Fancy. It does come in some plastic here. Keep everything nice and snug and together. And here it is. It does come in multiple colors, and there are multiple types of what's the word? Ports, connectors. What goes in the ports? The ends, something like that. You guys know what I'm talking about. There are multiple different types, such as micro USB, USB-C, and even for you Apple folks out there, there is a lightning cable version. But this right here is the USB-C version. I forgot why I got this, to be honest. I got it a while ago. This thing was so cheap on eBay, it's like ridiculous. This thing was like $1 or $2. I'll leave a link in the description if you guys want to get your own. But I could tell you right now, this black leather feel, it just feels amazing in the hands. The quality, you know, it could be better, but could it really? It's not bad. It's not bad quality. It's just not fantastic. It's nothing to go crazy about. I'm sure you've noticed the USB-C part doesn't even look like a typical USB-C, and that's because it is, but it's not. Instead of plugging in, it plugs in just in a different way. It's just to slim it down. You got all the important bits in there. And then USB-C on the other end. This is black leather construction, which is very nicely wound. It's got a nice soft feel to it. I'm sure this thing is going to be comfy to put on, so I'm going to go ahead and put it on. I gotta say, guys, you could put this thing on and forget about it. It's that comfy. And do a shake test. No, it didn't even start to come apart. It stayed together, and that's what's important. Now, I'm sure if I yank on this, it would break something, but as long as you don't get it caught on anything, it should work out. It does work as a charger. It charges up your devices. The better the brick that you have, the better the charge that you will get. I'm sure there's a limit on what kind of power can be put through this thing because it is so cheap. But regardless, it is a fantastic product, and I am very happy with it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like I said, if you want to get your own, I'll put a link in the description. If you did enjoy the video, help your boy out. Give me a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, which, guys, a lot of you are not subscribed to the channel, hit the subscribe button. That'll help me out even more. If you want to check out the last video, it's going to be up there. If you want to check out the playlist with all the random reviews and whatnot, it's going to be up there. Have a great day, everybody, and as always, don't get shot.